What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over a recent pickup of mine. I just caught the Air Jordan 11 Columbia or Legend Blues, and instead of doing an unboxing, because I did 2 unboxings recently, I honestly didn't want to do another unboxing. I thought, why not just go through some different ways that I would style the Air Jordan 11 Columbia. And I thought that was a good idea. So that's what we're gonna do today. You see my rack of clothes over here. I have 7 outfits that we're gonna put together today. None of these outfits are gonna be very matchy-matchy. If you've been watching my channel for a while now, you know that matchy-matchy just doesn't really, it's not bad, and I have no issue with it per se, but it doesn't really interest me that much anymore. So I wanted to look for different ways to tie in the blue of the shoe. Instead of having the blue be a focal point, I wanted it to be more of a tie-in to what it is that I'm wearing. So you'll see that with a lot of these outfits, it's mostly going to play on the accents in the outfits rather than I have a blue shirt or with blue jeans or a blue shirt with white, like, you get what I'm saying? It's more so gonna tie in. So that is the plan today. Here are the Air Jordan 11 Columbia Legend Blues, and we're gonna put together 7 outfits. So nonetheless, that is what we're gonna be doing today. So let's go ahead and jump into the first outfit. All right, so here we have the first outfit. We're starting things off rather simple, but not super simple, because this is a perfect example of what I mean by using the blue in the shoe to tie in to the blue hints or accents in the outfit rather than just going full on, you know, white and blue. So in this case, we have a green hoodie with light blue lettering on the chest and on the back. We have a white tank top underneath, poking out to add a little bit more interest to an otherwise very simple outfit. And then we have these statement piece, if you will, swim trunks. Now, normally I don't wear swim trunks outside of a water setting, but they match the shorts so perfectly, and then they work so well with the hoodie that I really wanted to go ahead and give it a go, and I love how it looks. The bluish teal in the shorts go really well with the light blue in the hoodie, and then it almost matches perfectly, honestly, with the light blue in the shoe. Again, matchy isn't my thing, but you know, that's matchy is more like with heavy color blocking in a sense, if you think about it that way. But if you have accent colors that match perfectly, you know, without like oversaturating the outfit, that's when I think an outfit becomes its most interesting form. So yeah, this is the first outfit. Things are gonna get a little more complex moving forward, but I at least wanted to start off pretty simple while also showing a great example of how I like to tie colors into one another. Okay, so this outfit sees me trying to get a little more casual rather than keeping things street focused throughout all the outfits. This one, I have this beautiful color block striped button down shirt from Scotch and Soda. It's a statement piece. It is most definitely a statement piece, but again, a perfect example of tying in the light blue to the light blue stripes in this shirt. The shirt has pink going on, it has green going on, it has burnt orange going on, and it has a light blue. And so to pick up on the light blue in the shirt, I also wanted to go ahead with these light blue shorts and then the white tank top underneath for the white in the shoe. I think this looks fantastic. It's very different. And again, it's me trying to just create more of a casual outfit rather than a very straightforward outfit for a very straightforward shoe. Not too much going on as far as layering, but quite a bit going on with the shirt, and then allowing everything else in the outfit to kind of just tone it down.
Alright, so these jeans are slowly starting to become some of my favorite pants that I own. I could not wait to wear them with these shoes because I just knew that they would fit well, and I knew that the creamish, whitish tone with the blue accents would just pair really nicely with the shoes. I wanted to keep everything else pretty simple, so I have this gray hoodie and I have this green hat. Now, this is another perfect example of what I mean by tying colors together. The gray neutral, it works very well with the shoe. The green on the back of the hoodie works very well with the green in the hat. The light blue in the hat ties into the light blue in the shoes. The white of the shoes ties into the white tank top that's peeking out underneath, as well as the creamish off-white pants. This is a prime example of something super simple in theory, but the execution makes it seem a lot more complex than it is, because I'm just tying everything in together, and it works so well in my opinion. This might be one of my favorite outfits. You guys let me know which one is your favorite down below, and we're gonna go on to the next one now. Okay, so we basically took the bottom half of the last outfit and just made the top a lot more complex. So this is me trying to stretch tying in colors as much as I could. I told you guys all of these outfits basically would be about tying in colors rather than just color blocked matching. So with this Scotch and Soda hoodie, it has a ton of different blues going on, and one of the blues happened to be that light powder blue in the shoe. Even though it has a lot of colors going on, it's still basically a beige-ish base, if you will, and that beige-ish base works well with the creamish white pants, and then this kimono, the blue in it, it's neutral, so it's gonna work with the blue in the shoes, and then the olive works with the green tones in the hoodie. This has a lot going on, a lot, and I think some people probably won't agree, but I think it works very well. very well. It's a lot going on. It looks like an ice cream sherbet hoodie, but again, I think the colors just tie in very nicely, and I was so excited to put this one together. Probably the boldest outfit of them all, and that's saying something because we got some pretty crazy colors going on in this entire lookbook. But yeah, that's it for this one. We are gonna move on to the next outfit, which is a little more tame than this. Alright, so the last outfit was very experimental when it came to color. This one is a lot more experimental when it comes to trying to see if these pieces work together. Lately, I've been becoming a fan of adding like a sporty element to a more upscaled look, and so, or just dressing down a more dapper look, but in a sporty way. And I would see a lot of women pair a blazer with sneakers, and I mean athletic sneakers, not like casual sneakers. And it's a look that works really well in my opinion. They would wear with shorts, and I wanted to see if it's something that I could pull off. Like you would even see it, you would see it a lot like with tennis outfits, for instance. And so what I wanted to do was take this hoodie with the green and the light blue tones in it, pair it with the green and light blue hat that you already know works very well with the shoes. But then instead of just leaving it at that, I wanted to see if I could pull off the whole blazer with shorts and athletic sneakers and a cap. And so that was the inspiration for this outfit, and it's something I've never tried before, and I'm probably still getting used to it. But as far as how this turned out, I actually really like it. I think it would be a great fall outfit, and it's something that I personally want to try and pull off in public. since I live in Miami and it's not that cold right now. It's still basically fall temperatures. I think it's something that I might try in the near future. Again, very experimental for me, but I'm really open to trying to pull this off in public. We basically kept the top from the previous outfit and then just threw on some gray skinny jeans to just, I wanted a pretty, I didn't want to just go with like blue jeans again. I wanted to do something a little different while still sticking to neutrals, and so that's why I chose the gray. I think it works really well because I have a lot of light shades on, so there aren't any heavy contrasts or anything like that going on, so that's why I think it works so well. Plus, I just really like how these jeans fit with these shoes, how it stacks. It just looks really good in my opinion. And yeah, I mean, there isn't really much to say. Again, we're tying in colors, the blue in the sleeve with the blue in the hat, the green in the other sleeve with the green in the hat, the blues, they tie in with the sneaker, the off-white beige cream base of the hoodie works with the white in the shoe, gray's a neutral tone. You know, it just makes sense. Alright, so this outfit probably is a little more on the matchy side because I do have the light blue shirt with the light blue jeans, but I kind of wanted to throw a bit of a wrench into the whole equation with this white denim jacket going over the blue. Usually you would kind of see that reversed. It would be like a white tee with a blue jacket, maybe just a standard blue denim jacket, but I wanted to experiment just a little bit here because this isn't something that this isn't normally how I would wear these colors, but it actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I was a little skeptical putting it together, but actually having it on and seeing how it looks, I'm honestly not mad at it at all. I actually really like how this one turned out. Alright, so that's gonna do it for the video. Like I said, 7 outfits, mostly street, a little bit of range in there, threw some casual in there as well, some sporty, tried to switch things up a bit, but I hope you liked the outfits. Nonetheless, this was actually a lot of fun to put together, just challenging myself to really see what colors can tie in, and if you've taken nothing from this video, at least take away tying in colors. I preach that all the time, and I personally feel like that's the best way to, you know, match colors with one another. Not necessarily by just being so direct, but tying in colors from different parts of the outfit in order to, you know, the sum is greater than the whole thing is greater than the sum of its parts, whatever. But nonetheless, that is it. I think I'm gonna do more of these rather than just the traditional unboxings. I'm still gonna think on that, but definitely would want to do more of these rather than just an unboxing. This was a lot of fun, and as always, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Like, comment, engage. It helps out tremendously. Follow me on my socials. Everything will be linked down below. I think that's everything. And so, yeah, until we put the pieces together again, everyone. Later.